I'll guide you through understanding the prerequisites and step-by-step process for activating your account on Elon Musk's financial platform, X Money. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Activating your X Money account gives you full access to features like high-yield APY, peer-to-peer transfers, and card issuing. The setup process connects your X account to FDIC-insured Cross River Bank, creating a personal account with unique banking details. Before initiating the activation process, ensure you meet these baseline requirements. Your account has an active X Premium or Premium Plus subscription enabled under your profile settings. Complete the preliminary Know Your Customer (KYC) identity verification with your legal name, social security number, and physical U.S. residential address. Ensure your X mobile app is updated to the latest version on iOS or Android. To begin, open the X app on your mobile device and locate the bottom navigation bar. Tap the dedicated Money tab icon. Select Activate Account or Get Started on the main Welcome banner. Review X payments and Cross River Bank terms, then tap Agree and Continue. Set up a 4-digit security PIN or enable Face or Touch ID for authorization of transactions and access to sensitive account details. Once activation is confirmed, navigate to Account Details within the Money tab. Your account will display 2 unique credentials provided by Cross River Bank. 9-digit ABA routing number, which identifies the banking institution for electronic transfers and payroll deposit. The 10 to 12-digit account number is your unique individual account identifier. Tap the copy icon next to each number to save them to your clipboard for setting up external transfers or direct deposits with your employer. To start using the account, add funds through one of these methods. To use the linked external bank account option, tap Add Money, select Link Bank Account, and connect your primary bank via PLAD using your online banking credentials. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.